How far apart is person A from person B? Let's call this distance here, going sideways, we'll call this x. And we'll call this distance here, going sideways, y. Now what is the width of x? We'll use SOH CAH TOA. Opposite adjacent. Tan 60 degrees is equals to opposite over adjacent. So using algebra, you can cross multiply or say that x is equals to the numerator divided by the other side. So x is equals to 10 divided by tan 60. And using special triangles, recall that tan 60 is root 3. So 10 over root 3 is the answer. Now what is y? Opposite over adjacent. We have tan 20 degrees is equals to opposite over adjacent y. Similarly, y is equals to the numerator divided by the other side. So the total distance now is 10 over root 3 plus 10 over tan 20. And now you can evaluate this using a calculator.